Hello everyone. Once again, this is Arlene, your Mama Len, and today I want to make that beautiful window cathedral jelly na ginawa ng aking batchmate na si Melody Pagyo. Shoutout sa iyo, sis. At today gusto ko pong i-try dahil napakaganda niya. Ito po ang aking mga ingredients. Bumili na po ako ng agar-agar powder. I have red, I have green, I have clear color. And I couldn't find yellow. Tapos ito yung nakita ko, pudding. So, I'm hoping na pwede itong gamitin. And then, we have condensed milk. I couldn't find heavy cream. So, I'm using yogurt. I hope this will do. And a little bit of sugar. At ito po yung nabili kong mold na napakaganda. Nakikita nyo ba? Para siyang parol. It's very lanterny. So, ito yung napili kong mold para sa aking window cathedral jelly. So, ano pang iniintay natin? Umpisahan na po natin ang paggawa. And it says in the packet that you put 1 liter of water in that amount. So, I'm just gonna put in half of that. 500 ml of water. Not on the heat yet, just incorporate the jelly and the water, the jelly powder and the water. Don't turn on the heat yet. It is now boiling. We'll just wait a little bit more and we pour it into the mold. Looks good. Now it's bloody red. Have it, guys. I have my yellow, my green, and my red jello. So I'm just gonna make the condensed milk with yogurt and we will do the plating. We'll see you guys in a while. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna do my condensed milk and yogurt mixture with the agar-agar powder. I'm putting in 1.5 liter of water. This 500 ml, this cup here. Agar-agar powder. And you stir that in. Stirring. And let's put in a 1 can of condensed milk. Woohoo! Looks good. And our yogurt. I hope the acidity won't affect the agar-agar powder. Ayan, tuyo na po siya. Itong ating red. So, I'm gonna and we have finished everything, even the condensed milk and the yogurt and the powdered jelly. So now we are gonna plate this baby. First, I'm gonna put in the beautiful color red here. Spread it out nicely. Condensed milk and all that mixture, but I want to strain it just to be sure. Just to be sure that there be no see how it works out later. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Looks like it's ready. So we're gonna flip this baby now. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. I did it. There is my cathedral window jelly. So good. Oh, I love the colors in there.